crafty friends, this is Eileen from Scrapmazing and I'm here with a kit share video. So I'm taking part in this awesome YouTube hop monthly thing that's called How to Kill a Kit with Style, and the basic idea about it is to create a stash kit and use it over the month of this month, October, and create awesome things with things you have already in your stash. So my camera's quite funky, but I will start with showing you the papers. So my basic idea was to create something with navy blue and to have some fall themed things in it because I love fall and it's October, so it's starting to get colder, and yeah. So I basically started with this paper. I really love it. This is navy blue. You can't really get it. Yeah, but it's navy blue. It's from the Happiness collection from Coco Vanilla Studio. It's called Botanical Bliss. And on the back side is this lovely floral. It's not going with my kit really well, but we will see if I can really sacrifice this whole paper. Okay, then I got this paper. It's black and white. Just a little dotty things, and the back side is not really working, but it's from the Felicity Jane Jamie collection and it's called Lines and Spots. So I pulled it for this side. Then I got this paper. This is called Straight and Squiggles from the Jill collection, and this is the mustard yellow I pulled. So this screams fall to me, so I pulled it, and the back side are these black and white scribbles. Love them, and they go perfectly with my kit as well. Then I pulled in this one. This is navy blue chevron kind of pattern, and this paper is from the Amazon Lane collection from Heidi Swap, and this paper is called Emery. This is the back side. I don't think I will be using the back side. We will see. And then I pulled in some blush to go with my other colors that I have already. So that's the paper I pulled. This is from the Jill collection as well, and it's called Flowers and Hearts. So on the back side are black and white hearts. These are perfect for everything. Then I also pulled in a wood grain from the Amazon Lane collection, and this paper is called Harrison. So this lovely wood grain, and on the back side is this black and white alphabet with numbers. So we will see if I use that. And then I also pulled in some more yellow, mustard yellow. This is from the Amber collection and it's called Swiss Dot and Curves. So that's the dots, and on the back are these curves. So the back side is working as well. And then I also pulled in more navy. This is from the Amazon Lane collection as well. The back side is this one. The papers from the Amazon Lane collection are a little bit distressed, so I'm not sure if I'll be using that side, but this one is perfect. And then I pulled in more blush, and this is from the Heidi collection from Felicity Jane, and this is called Flowers and Squares, and there's a really light floral pattern. I hope you can see it a little, and on the back side are these black and white squares. And then to add to it, I also pulled in a black and white triangle one. This is from Felicity Jane as well, and this is from the Jill collection, and it has these green, really dark green stripes. So perhaps I will be pulling in some green. But yeah, these are my main papers. I also pulled in specialty paper. This is from the Heidi Swap Amazon Lane collection, and these are some is an alphabet. I'm not sure how to use it, but I love the gold and vellum. So yeah. And then I have these two cardstocks from Felicity Jane. So this is the blush color, and there's this reddish color on the back. Goes perfectly with fall, so I will see if I will be using this side as well. And then I pull in this mustard cardstock to go with it, and this is gray on the other side. So this is perfectly working with the colors as well, I think. So we will see if I will be using that side as well. So yeah, this is a look at my papers. Then I also pulled in some 6x6 papers. This is a half of a pad, 6x6 paper pad, and this is all wood grain. I think this is from Simple Stories. We just flip through it quickly, and they're just different wood grains in here. And yeah, I think this is perfectly going with the fall theme I want to have. And wood grain is always a good pick, I think. Then I also added some journaling cards. I will flip through them really quickly. And these are all from Felicity Jane. I don't know which collection they are all from because I store and organize them together. So I just show you the ones, but I picked a lot of black and white ones, some yellow ones, and they go perfectly with the colors because they are from the same manufacturer. Then I have some blush, and this one, and some leaves, and some stripes. So I think they go perfectly with this, what I already picked. I don't have navy in these because Felicity Jane, or I have no things and navy blue from Felicity Jane, but I thought they go perfect. Then I pulled in some doilies just to add some texture, and then I also pulled in these vellum from the Jill collection, and they have these patterns. I really like the yellow one with the florals and the blush and some green perhaps, and then these are black and white, so they are perfect to go with my kit. And then I also pulled in some rub-ons. These are from the Creekside collection from One Canoe 2, and I bought them years ago. I hope they still work, but yeah, I haven't used them and I love them, and I'm thinking about to use them on the navy, so we will see. Then I have these label stickers from the Mila collection. There's the blush, the navy, the gold, and also some green. So we will see if I will be using these. So I hope the glare is not too bad. Then I also pulled in a lot of titling and alphabet options. So starting from the top, I have these words from Studio Calico, and they're from Jasmine Jones. This is her handwriting, and they say September and October. So I will be documenting mainly September and October in my album. So I thought these were perfect to use up. Then I pulled in these titles from Coco Vanilla Studio Happiness Collection, and I love them. Haven't used one bit of it, so these are the so I could with these I try to pull in more navy, and yeah, these are the titles. Love them. Oops, let's put them here. Then I pulled in this one. It's not my favorite, or I love the color, but I have a hard time using it. So I pulled it in. It's from the Heidi collection, and I try to do a minimum of one title with these. So yeah, just put them in. They work perfectly with the colors, so I have to make them, put them on a layout. And then I pulled in these. Love them. I already used some. They are from the Alexis collection. And then I also pulled in some thickers. These are from the Golden Rod collection, and these are they go with the Golden Rod collection from One Canoe 2, and love them. The The font is so beautiful. The colors work perfectly. The yellow is a little bit different, but I can make it work. So that's that. And then I also pulled these Catherine foil foam letter stickers, and they have lovely words and little phrases. Perfect to go with fall or any photos, but I love them for fall. And then I have these cork, perfect. And these are from Dear Lizzie and called Noted. And then I pulled in this sticker sheet. This is from Heidi Swap Emerson Lane collection. The yellow is not really working with what I have, but we will see if I can make these work as well. But the blush, the blue and some green if I want to pull it in, and the gold is perfect. And on the back side there are just labels in all the colors. And then I also pulled in these Maggie Holmes word stickers. It's from the Gather collection. Oh no, that's a lot of glare. I hope it's better here. Then I pulled in a lot of bits and pieces. So let me grab some. I pulled this. This is the Heidi Swap Emerson Lane ephemera pack. Haven't used a bit of it, so that's the back side of this. So the colors, like the navy and the yellow is a little bit off, like with the stickers, but I think I can make it work in a way that, yeah, I can use some of this up. Then I also pulled these from the Auburn Lane collection. And yeah, you can see these are just some florets. The gold is in this too. There's some black and white, and I love these, and I haven't used one of these, so yeah, I thought these scream fall to me, so I pulled them in, and to get another touch into my kit. Then I've also pulled in some cork to go with the letter stickers, but yeah, to have some variety of cork. And these are from Ellie Edwards, from her travel collection from last year. And then I also pulled in a lot of bits and pieces, so I will be sharing these just some leaves. Don't know where they are from, but I love them. They have gold foiling. Then I pulled in 2 washi tapes. They are navy. I really want to try to use some washi tape. So this is a dot one, this is a stripy one, and I thought these are hopefully easy to use. And they are from Heidi Swap. Then I pulled in this small cut file, and I got ones. Then I have this wood veneer piece, Dream Today. I hope to use it. And then I also picked up this from my ephemera stack, because I once backed it with vellum, and this is from Maggie Holmes Gather collection, and I really, really love it. I want to use it, so pulled that in. Then I also pulled in some frames. They are gold foiled, and hope to use them. And this is one piece that was floating around on my desk, so I pulled it in. And I have these lovely hearts that I got in a Secret Not Secret kit and haven't used. Then I have some wood veneer stars, and I thought these were perfect to sprinkle around my page. And then so many small things I will be pulling in. So I have this ribbon. This is blue and white. And then I have this leafy one that's gold. So I pulled these in. I'm not good at using these, but I will try. Then I pulled in these glassine bags for some texture that I can add. Then I have some tassels from Felicity Jane. And I pulled a lot of things. Then I have these tassels also from Felicity Jane. and a little bow that was floating around my desk and worked perfectly. Then I also pulled in some cork hearts. These are from, I think, DIY from American Crafts. And then I have an assortment of things like a cork alphabet, not alphabet, ampersand, and some cork stars and some wood veneers. I will pull some out to show you. And this is just an assortment, like these beautiful leaves and some clouds. Yeah, just a few in here. And then I pulled in a flare just to use them. I have a hard time using flares, so I pulled in one, I think one, and then I pulled in this piece that was floating around my desk. I want to use it. And then these puffy cameras, and then I have these ones. I should have opened these before. They are from the Brie collection from Felicity Jane, and they are chipboard flares, and they are just black and white and are like more like chipboard. Yeah, they are chipboard. Oh, it's saying chipboard on there. So yeah, they are chipboard and black and white. So I thought I could make them work in this kit. And then I pulled a black and white bow. I just put it on here because it was floating around my desk. This is from Maggie Holmes, I think, from the Carousel collection. Then I pulled in a gold heart. It's from Maggie Holmes as well, I think. And then I pulled in this wood veneer star thing from Studio Calico, I think. Yeah, I just put all these things on there because they are sticking to it. So yeah, that's my huge kit. I hope to start creating with it today. And yeah, I hope I can really make a dent in this. So I will be starting, because I think having a kit like this is really kind of overwhelming for me. I love to pull them together, but I don't, it's so hard to get started working with it. So what I will be doing, I will be making a page kit from this. So I will be pulling 2 or 3 papers and a few embellishments just from this, and some alphabet choice, just one, and then start creating with it. So the first one, and some embellishment for sure, and perhaps a sketch to get me started. And yeah, that will be the next video, I think. So thanks guys for watching. Check out all the other ladies that are linked in the description box down below. And if you like this kit, give me a thumbs up. And I love to hear from you in the comments down below. If you like to pull kits together from your stash, and if you have a hard time choosing papers, choosing embellishments, or if it's easy for you, and how do you start to get creating with the kit. So let me now know in the comments down below, and I see you in my next video. Bye!